engine is the only voice I trust now. Everything else is just noise.
Turning the key, let's disappear.
Behind me buries another fear. The asphalt is a river and I'm riding on the tide. No weight upon my shoulders, just the motion of the ride. The street lights are ghosts, flickering in the gloom, but I'm moving past the pressure, I'm breaking from the room. This speed is my armor, the wind is my cure, and in this hollow darkness I finally feel sure.
We are flying through the shadows, chasing down the dawn.
The world is gone, I'm finally home.
The light is just a whisper, but the road is ours to hold.
The speed is my freedom, let the darkness unfold.
To anchor down my soul, but the throttle is my master. I'm taking back control, I see it glint a light ahead. A fragment of the day, but I don't need the sunshine, I prefer the silver gray. The engine pulses power, it's a fire in my veins. I'm shedding all the history, I'm breaking all the chains. When the city tries to crush me, I just twist the wrist and fly, leaving every problem underneath the velvet sky.
Let it go, let it fade.
Beyond the reach of everything that tries to pull me back,
I am free. We are flying through the shadows, chasing down the dawn.
the way the word is gone, I'm finally home.
The light is just a whisper, but the road is ours to hold.
The speed is my freedom, let the darkness unfold.
Cold nights, broken dreams. We were just kids chasing lights through the dark streets. Now your name echoes inside my heartbeat, and every scar became a memory we can't leave. Oh.
The city made angels turn into ghosts. Late nights, blue lights, sirens on the strip. Cold heart, black gloves, hand tight on the grip. Came up from the mud with a fake boy switch. Now the whole block know my name ring quick. I was 10 toes down in the rain, no coat. Young boy in the flat side, dreams, no hope. Mom cried every night, dad gone, no smoke. Had to turn savage just to stay afloat. Now I ride for the ends with the team on lock. Everybody talks but they freeze when it pops. We don't do things, we don't speak to cops. Just hoodies and trainers when we circle blocks. From the gutter to the top floor view. Still got pain that the cash can't cure. Street code living, yeah, the scars stay true. Gang in the shadows when we slide right through. Big smoke city with the sirens loud. Young kings rising from the broken ground. If I say this war, then it's going down. Whole squad militant, don't back down. Nah. Night shift grind, now the rack stack too. Used to eat crumbs, now we feast with all. Enemies lurk when the phone line calls, but I stay alert when the night wind falls. I seen real ones fall down the pressure fast. Seen fake love disappear in the past. So I keep one eye on the road that pass, and another one of snakes in the shattered glass. Blacked out whip when we creep through lanes. Everybody tough till the tension gains. I got trauma running deep in veins, but the music turned all that pain to flames.
The city made angels turn into ghosts.
Still outside, still breathing.
Our souls dancing in the cold.
Forever from the trenches.
The asphalt is hungry tonight. Two ghosts on the track, chasing the light. One wrong move, one shadow too deep. Secrets in the engine, promises we keep. Rubber screaming, burning through the dead of the night. Mirror checking, seeing nothing but the end in sight. He thinks it's a race, he thinks he's winning the crown, but I'm pulling the steel, gonna burn this highway down. The speed is a weapon, the chrome is a blade. Trading the life for the debt that I've never paid.
The metal will shatter and blood turns to cold black rain tonight. The silence is screaming while we vanish from the dying city light.
Accelerate hard, yeah, push it into the red. I'm playing for keeps, I'm waking the silent dead. You're looking for glory, I'm looking for a way out. Removing the witness, erasing all of the doubt. The curve is coming, the grip is beginning to slide. Nowhere to run, nowhere left for you to hide. Checkmate.
Oh, what have you done?
What have you done?
Oh, what have you done? Oh, what have you done?
The siren is fading. The bag is still heavy, but my chest is on fire. I thought I was fast enough to leave it all behind. Pulled the trigger, left the shadow on the floor. Kicked through the glass, busted open the door. But the street has a memory and it followed me home. A red stain spreading on the cold hard chrome. I hit the gas, but the world started spinning in gray. Caught a slug in the dark, watching life slip away. The wheel won't listen, my vision is blurring in red. If I don't make the turn, I'm as good as the dead. Run for the edge, but the rhythm is losing the beat. Blood on the pavement, the shadow is finding the street. Love is the anchor, dragging me back from the grave. Only the ghost of a promise is all that I say. I crashed in the alley, the metal is twisted and torn. Regretting the moment, regretting that I was ever born. And I see a silhouette cutting through the thick smoke. She's pulling me out like a prayer that she spoke. Don't you close your eyes. She whispers into the cold, she's holding my heartbeat. She's breaking the mold, the sirens are closer. The alley is turning to white. She's taking the bullet, she's ending the fight. I'll pull you through into the dawn. I'm barely here. Just hold up.
the smoke is rising in the pale moonlight. Walking these streets in the dead of the night. Dust on my boots, rhythm in my chest. Searching for a truth that's put to the test. It's put to the test. Yeah, staccato steps on the concrete floor. I'm knocking hard on the heavy iron door. Life is a gamble, a hand that I hold, trading my stories for pieces of gold. No time to falter, the pace is too fast. Living for the future, you're racing the past. It's the blues and the beat in the heart of the soul, spinning the world, losing control. 150 speeds on the boulevard line. The rhythm is yours and the rhythm is mine. Just keep riding, yeah. Keep it moving, yeah. Just keep riding, yeah. Keep it moving.
Leaving my shadow a jagged remark. We run to the edge just to see if we fly.